Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is Carl here with another episode of Carl's Redneck Repairs. And this is kind of a tool review, I would guess, and showing you what I picked up. So 90% of what I do here is small engine repair, like quads, dirt bikes, snow blowers, snowmobiles, anything with small motor. The only cars I actually work on myself are my car, my girlfriend's van, my 4Runner, girlfriend's mom's vehicles. That's about it. I help buddies out with theirs. So as you can somewhat hear in the background in the other little room there, my compressor is going. It's going to be shutting off pretty soon here, but yeah, there's going to be my little tool review here. So this is what I picked up on sale. I'm here up in Canada, eh? And I picked up a little 3/8 impact, little guy. Like, I don't know if you can see the size difference. Like, there's my hand. Like, no bigger than my hand, which is really nice. Do what his tool reviews like everyone else says. Oh, it feels so good in the hand and everything. Actually, this one does. This one actually feels really sturdy, and it's rated for 100 foot-pounds at 90 psi. Oh fuck! I got air gun oil all over my smoke. At 90 psi for 3.2 cubic feet per minute. My compressor is rated, I think it's at 3 point something cubic feet for 90 psi. Pretty sure that's what it's rated at, but this little sucker works pretty damn good. And then the other tool I picked up, also because like I said, I do most of my small engine stuff, so I don't need a big fucking 1/2 inch impact. And when I do, I've got my electric 1/2 inch impact, which does 140 foot-pounds of torque, and it doesn't run out of air. The other thing I picked up is the mini ratchet 3/8 drive, not 1/4 inch, 3/8. This one feels really good too. Not much. It's a hand out, basically the size of your hand. This was $27 on sale, 27 bucks. This one, 47 bucks on sale. We'll do a little demonstration here. Show you here. So let's see where we are here. Zoom in here. So get you guys in the shot here. This piece right here is a piece. I'm just showing you here. These both are torqued down to 100 foot-pounds. So plug in the little 3/8. The little 3/8 guy. She's got a lot of go. And then we'll back you guys out here a little bit. Here, grab this one here. Oh, the Allen key is spinning on this side here. So we'll just throw an Allen wrench on there. And yes, I know I don't have an impact socket on there. Off. Just like that. These little things, like I said, mostly what I do is small engine repair. So the most, like, I'm not going to have anything that's torqued over 100 foot-pounds on anything. And what it has here, It's got reverse, then you got forward. It's got a built-in regulator, and you can adjust. There goes the socket. You can adjust the speed. And the reverse is all out. So we'll do the little 3/8. Get my socket back here. This is rated for 26 foot-pounds. They're loud though. It's the only things I don't like about them. They are loud. So we'll throw a socket on. We'll just see here. This is a test. Like I said, these are rated for. This is for 26 foot-pounds. And then you've just got your little thing here: reverse, forward, and reverse. So I got her in reverse, and we'll see if they'll be able. If it will be able to crack this 100 foot-pound one. I might have it in forward. Yeah, I got it in forward. Oops, dropped it. Yeah, I had it in forward. So it says it's rated for 26 foot-pounds, but let's just give this another go. We'll tighten it down with the impact, because the impact says 100 foot-pounds. That's what it says. It's actually, you can never truly know if it actually puts out 100 foot-pounds, right? But we'll tighten it down with this, and then we'll see if we can take it off with the ratchet. That will be a good test. So we'll tighten it down. Oops. Still had her in reverse. Forward or crank her right to high. I'll crank her right down, so she should be close to 100 foot-pounds there. Oh. Now we'll see if she'll be able to crack this off. Nope. So I'll have to use it like ratchet here. Nope, she won't be able to take that off. But this will be for small things. So I don't expect it to do 100 foot-pounds. Like I said, it's only a little 3/8 impact here, or 3/8 ratchet, mini one. It's $27. Is it worth the money? Yes. Will it last? Yes. $47. Is it worth the money? Yes. Will it last? Yes. People may look down on Mastercraft, but I don't. I've had a Mastercraft impact driver, the ones for screws and that. I've had that thing for 6 years, and it's just starting to break. 6 years. So these, I'm not going to be using as much as I use that thing. So I'm expecting for these to last a good 10-15 years, even with that. But it's Mastercraft. It's got warranty. They've both got 3-year limited warranty, and the only thing they do lifetime warranty on now is the Maximum shit, I think. I don't know if Mastercraft has a lifetime warranty anymore. I think it's just their Maximum line. So this is the episode of Carl's Redneck Repairs. You guys take it easy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.